How to use Temu Gift Card online. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can use Temu Gift Card online. Now the process is quite simple. What you want to do is you want to head into temu.com or into the app. The process is similar on both the either app or the website. So you want to head into temu.com if you are on browser, or you want to open up the app and log into your account. And once you log into your account, you want to first add the products that you want to buy to your cart. Now here in my case, I've already added to cart. Simply tap on the cart option that you'll find at the top right corner of your screen, and once you tap on cart option there, you'll be headed to cart. Now what you want to do is you want to proceed to checkout. Once you select the items that you want to get, simply proceed to checkout, and here once you proceed to checkout, simply continue to checkout. It'll ask you for the details. Now enter in your details here. I'll just enter in my details first. Now here you can see once you enter in your shipment address details, you'll get the payment methods option. Now here to use your gift card, what you want to do is you want to select the card option here, and once you select your card option, you want to enter in your card details here, and once you add in your card details, you want to submit order, and you'll be able to use your gift card. So this way you can use Temu Gift Card online. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.